Food is essential for life. We eat every day to fuel our bodies and minds, but did you know that the food you eat directly impacts your brain health? What we consume can either enhance or hinder our cognitive function, mood, and overall well-being, just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly. Our brains require specific nutrients to operate at their best. A healthy diet provides these essential building blocks, while an unhealthy diet can lead to inflammation, oxidative stress, and other issues that damage brain cells. In this essay, we'll explore the fascinating connection between food and brain health. We'll delve into the nutrients that nourish your brain, the foods that boost cognitive function, and the dietary pitfalls that can hinder brain power. Our brains thrive on a balanced and nutrient-rich diet. Certain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants play crucial roles in maintaining cognitive function, protecting against age-related decline, and promoting overall brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, are essential for brain structure and function. These healthy fats support memory, learning, and mood regulation. Antioxidants, present in colorful fruits and vegetables, act as our brain's defense system. They combat free radicals, harmful molecules that can damage brain cells and contribute to cognitive decline. B vitamins, found in leafy greens, legumes, and whole grains, are crucial for energy production, neurotransmitter synthesis, and nerve cell communication. Deficiencies in B vitamins can lead to fatigue, brain fog, and mood swings. By incorporating foods rich in these essential nutrients, we provide our brains with the building blocks they need to thrive. Now that we understand the importance of key nutrients, let's explore specific foods that can supercharge your brain power. Fatty fish, salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for memory, learning, and mood regulation. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that protect brain cells from damage and improve cognitive function. Leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, and collard greens are excellent sources of B vitamins, folate, and antioxidants, supporting brain health and cognitive function. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, flax seeds, and chia seeds provide healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamin E, protecting brain cells from oxidative stress. Whole grains, oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread offer complex carbohydrates, fiber, and B vitamins, providing sustained energy for the brain. By incorporating these brain-boosting foods into your diet, you provide your brain with the fuel it needs to function at its best. Just as certain foods nourish the brain, others can hinder its performance and increase the risk of cognitive decline. Here are some dietary culprits to limit or avoid. Processed foods. Packaged snacks, fast food, and sugary drinks are often high in unhealthy fats, added sugars, and artificial ingredients that can contribute to inflammation and impair brain function. Sugary drinks, sodas, fruit juices, and sweetened beverages spike blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes and potentially harming brain cells over time. Trans fats. Found in some processed foods and margarine, trans fats can increase bad cholesterol levels, damage blood vessels, and impair blood flow to the brain. Excessive alcohol consumption. While moderate alcohol intake might have some protective effects, excessive consumption can damage brain cells, impair memory, and increase the risk of cognitive decline. By minimizing these dietary disasters, you can protect your brain from damage and support its long-term health. Section 5. Science-backed evidence, the gut-brain connection. Emerging research highlights the fascinating connection between our gut and brain health. The gut microbiome, a complex ecosystem of trillions of bacteria residing in our intestines, plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including brain health. Studies have shown that an imbalance in gut bacteria, known as dysbiosis, is linked to an increased risk of mood disorders, cognitive decline, and neurodegenerative diseases. Conversely, a healthy gut microbiome supports brain function, reduces inflammation, and promotes overall well-being. This groundbreaking research emphasizes the importance of nourishing our gut microbiome through a balanced diet rich in fiber, prebiotics, and probiotics. Section 6. Practical tips for a brain-healthy diet. Adopting a brain-healthy diet doesn't require drastic changes. Here are some practical tips to incorporate into your daily routine. Prioritize whole foods. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods and sugary drinks. Minimize your intake of packaged snacks, fast food, sugary drinks, and foods high in unhealthy fats and added sugars. Cook more meals at home. Preparing meals at home allows you to control the ingredients and ensure you're consuming fresh, wholesome foods. Read food labels carefully. Pay attention to serving sizes, calories, and the amounts of sugar, unhealthy fats, and sodium in packaged foods. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support brain function and overall health. By following these practical tips, you can make gradual yet impactful changes towards a brain-healthy lifestyle. Section 7. Making gradual changes, a sustainable approach. Transitioning to a brain-healthy diet doesn't happen overnight. It's essential to make gradual changes that are sustainable in the long run. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 new healthy habits into your routine each week. For example, begin by adding a serving of fatty fish to your diet twice a week. Once that becomes a habit, introduce another brain-boosting food like a handful of berries daily. Gradually replace processed snacks with whole food alternatives like fruits, vegetables, or nuts. Remember, small changes over time lead to significant results. Be patient with yourself and focus on making sustainable improvements to your diet. Section 8. The importance of hydration and exercise. While food plays a crucial role in brain health, it's essential not to overlook the importance of hydration and exercise. Drinking enough water throughout the day is vital for maintaining cognitive function, as dehydration can lead to fatigue, brain fog, and impaired concentration. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Regular physical activity also benefits brain health by improving blood flow to the brain, reducing stress, and promoting the growth of new brain cells. Engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. By combining a brain-healthy diet with proper hydration and regular exercise, you create an optimal environment for your brain to thrive. Section 9. Conclusion: investing in your brain health. The food we eat has a profound impact on our brain health. By understanding the connection between diet and cognitive function, we can make informed choices that support our brain power and overall well-being. Incorporate brain-boosting foods into your diet, limit dietary disasters, and prioritize whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Remember to stay hydrated, engage in regular exercise, and make gradual, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Investing in your brain health through a nutritious diet is an investment in your present and future well-being. By nourishing your brain with the right nutrients, you can enhance cognitive function, protect against age-related decline, and live a longer, healthier life.